Montage is a commonly used way of narrating different pieces of scenes in a single sequence. It requires random scenes and a tempo to make the sequence look natural. Besides, the montage is a tool used by filmmakers. There are certain ways you can use a montage in your novel. How to use montage in a novel is the content of this video. For a slow middle. A slow middle can be an enemy of your story. A slow middle occurs when the character have nothing much to do with anything or anyone. This is the phase where your story stops. Nothing much is happening. It either be if the character is comfortable within the environment and is just waiting for something to happen. There is no movement in the story in terms of action, decision making and conflict. Even if the conflict occurs, it happens in a repetitive state. This is where you can introduce a montage. If your protagonist has nothing to do, describe their small actions. Or if the protagonist is traveling from one place to another, show the entire journey in a montage. This sequence can make your story more appealing if you do it right. You can majestically take the reader into the world of the protagonist, making them feel the surroundings, environments, and even driving the readers to the protagonist's emotion. It can save your plot from a slow middle and instead can make it a reader's way to get to the heart of your story. For narrating ears in a scene. If you're having a ear sleep, instead of instantly jumping to the scene, you can use a montage. Aligning all the scenes of growing up can be covered in that sequence. It will help reader connect with the characters and provide more information regarding their emotions. Besides, use this one in your novel only if the past story needs narration, or it will help the story build a better connection with the readers. To portray different events for the same goal. Describe an entire set of events to make the readers familiar with the process of sequence can be shortened if you use a montage there instead of a long describing scene. The set of events that are the cause of the end goal would look better than describing every ongoing moment of the character. Directly showing the reader how the events took place will also increase the reader's interest as it will hide the scene's tempo. A high tempo will make readers feel more thrilled. The kind of montage is perfect for a thriller novel. To summarize the vast